Hi dears, how are you doing? Great to be back. Yes, we're back to this Fascinator again. I can see this Fascinator is fascinating everyone. Yeah, okay, so due to popular demand, we have to come back here because everyone wants to know how to make this Ankara sweets as I call them. So today we're going to be handling that. So take a seat. Let's Okay, before we get going into today's tutorial, I would like to let you know about the Ventcraft Academy coming up with training, which is our brooch online training. Now, this brooches has helped a lot of people to make flowers and brooch-like things that they can attach to turbans, fascinators, hands, lapels, and brooches. So please don't miss it. It's coming up this Friday on the 2nd to 3rd of April, and it's just 500 naira. Wow. For more details, please do check the description below this video to know how to get into the training. One last interruption, please, before we get into today's training. If you're just joining me for the first time, please do click the subscribe button and also the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my wonderful trainings. Trust me, you won't regret it. In my channel, you're going to see tricks and tips on how to walk this millinery walk we are doing, and also lovely designs, how to make them. You really need to subscribe right now. Thank you. Let's dive in now to see the materials we'll be making use of. The first is your piece of Ankara, measurement tape, skewer stick, bias, chalk, uhu gum, pad, and earring or the shape of what you want to use, scissors, and flour. Okay, next step to creating this fascinator is to take your object that forms the shape you want. In my case is the earring, and I use chalk to trace it on the pad. So that's it. So I'll take my scissors and cut this shape out. Watch and learn. Now comes our skewer sticks. Yes, so I'm going to put it at the tip there, but I'm not going to use the whole length. I will cut it at that side. So using my scissors. That jumped. Okay, let's try it with the cutter, the hot wire cutter, and see whether it jumps. Oh, it still jumped. Okay, anyway, that's it. So that's the size. That's how we're going to place it. So let me show you another trick. If you don't have the electric glue gun, you can make use of a candle. Yes, you light your candle and you place the candle glue on top, or you use the underneath of it. Anyway, I'll talk more about it in one of our videos on how to make use of candle. This is just another trick. So now that it's melted, I'm going to put it on that side like so, and put it on top of my shape. Now can you see? It's done. Okay, we'll be back soon. All right, so I take my material, the pieces of material. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the piece that I feel will cover up that shape. Then I will take my uhu gum. You see, I'm checking it did cover it. Good. So I'll take my uhu gum and put it at the back. That's the back, all the way in front also. Then I'll place it on my Ankara piece and fold it like so. When you're folding it, you're going to make sure that you're still getting that shape that you cut out. Ensure that you get that shape that you cut out. So that's how I'm folding it. Then I'll let it dry. Okay, next step is to cut out this excess you can see on top. So that's what I'm doing now. I'll cut it straight down with my scissors. Yes, that's how it is. Then I'll fold it in better. Can you see how it is? Then I'll take my bias now, and I'm going to cover up that part from up, then cover the skewer sticks as well using my uhu gum. Watch and learn. If you're gaining value from this video, please do click that like button, the thumbs up. Just give me a thumbs up there. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up. Let's continue. Okay, so you put the uhu gum also on the skewer sticks, like so. Then you're going to take the bias and wrap it around. Whatever color you want, matching the Ankara would suit better. So that's what we're going to do. That's what I'm doing. So you watch as I'm doing it and shoot. Now, if you haven't watched the video where we made use of this Ankara sweets, you can see it up. It's going to be suggested up, so you could just click on it and watch it. I would also put it in the description below this video, so you can go there and click on it and watch how I made use of this Ankara sweets to design a fascinator. Thank you. Then I'm trimming out the bias that is showing above the shape there. So I trim it out so it looks neat. Now you can actually leave it like this. It does still look good, but I decided to, lift up the beauty, I believe, by putting in these flowers, the small flowers just there, and then also in front below. So it depends on you. You can leave it plain like that, still look very, very lovely, or you add that. So I'm going to use my uhu gum to add this black flowers on top of our Ankara sweets. All right, watch and learn. Small interruption again as you're watching. So have you subscribed? Tell me the truth. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, just look below the video, click that subscribe button. Also give me a comment. Yes, tell me, do you love my Ankara sweets? Or what other name would you love to call it? Okay, yes, then give me a thumbs up. I'm sure you enjoyed this video to stay up till this time. All right then, thanks. So how do you like the sweets? Check it out. Okay. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So that's how we made this Ankara sweets on top of this fascinating fascinator. Thanks for watching. See you.